Alright, I'm a flatbed driver. I'm very new to this, so I'm going to show you how I fold and roll my tarps up. For anyone else that's new that might want to see how it's done. So this is a big lumber tarp. This is the big one that weighs over 100 pounds or whatever it actually weighs. So you take this corner, move up the middle. You just go over here, grab this corner, and do the same exact thing. Alright. And of course, try to take the wrinkles out of it. So you fold it in the middle like that, and you try to get all the wrinkles out, and then you're going to fold it up again. You're going to grab this corner and fold it again on top of itself, only to the half. This is where you had it halfway. But first I got to get this wrinkle out, and I'll show you. Alright, just like you saw me do over there, grab the corner, go right till you hit the corner over here. Once again, you want to make sure everything is equal. Alright, just like that. Alright, so I moved the camera so you can see better since I already folded it up some. And on this side, you're going to take that corner and bring it right here. And you're going to grab that corner and do the same thing. And you're going to try to make it even. And you're going to try to keep all the wrinkles out of it as much as you can. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now you can see how we got the two pieces together. So now this is probably no brainer. You're gonna take this corner and fold it all the way up to this corner. You're gonna do both sides, and again, try to keep as much wrinkles out of it as you can. You might have to use some brute strength, but okay, so now I usually grab one of my bungees and I put it where the flap is, that flaps down, which is on that side. And you just lay it down underneath it, so when you roll it up, the bungee's ready for you to snap together. But before we roll it up, we are gonna grab it, go like that. We're gonna walk about 3/4 of the way down and fold it on itself, so we don't have to roll so much. All right, let's move the camera one more time. All right, so now we're gonna roll it up. We're gonna try to roll it up as tight as you can right off the bat. But what I like to do first is I like to just stomp it on the edges and get as much air out of it you can, so it's easier to roll. And I do the edges too, just to help with it being not as stiff or whatever. It seems to work for me. I mean, there's a million ways of doing it. And then you just kind of roll it, press tightly, press down. You're gonna get some air bubbles, but that's okay. The nice thing is it's a nice day here, so it's about 40-45 degrees here up here in Wisconsin. And I had this laying out in the sun for a while, so it was a lot more easy to do. When these things get cold, you're not going to be able to roll them, but just do the best you can. Fold them, whatever you have to do when it gets cold. And on this, I would like to say I am going to be putting out more, I think, trucking videos along the way. So I usually like take my knee and just kind of bounce, get it as flat as you can, but just keep going. as you can see, when I moved the tarp a little bit, my bungee came down. It wasn't lined up anymore. No biggie. You just have to manually squeeze it around. And that's how it's done. You got the bungee around it now. So that's roughly how it should look. And if you're lucky enough, you should be able to throw this into your side box or wherever your tarps on your truck go. Usually, if I'm doing just lumber tarps, I know I gotta do a lumber tarp job. I just throw this on the back of my flatbed and I ratchet it down. That way I don't have to keep taking it in and out. But all right, so